now moving forward, we are going to do cleanliness and preservation of picnic spots. You all know that we all go for picnics, right? Like we go to Marnath, we go to Bor Tadav and all these places. At that time, we make sure that you all don't pollute anything, right? Like we make sure that you all don't throw plastic wafers or plastic of the wafers or bottles or anywhere over there, right? Like obviously it causes pollution, and other thing that happens is that plastic does not degrade properly, okay? It remains in the soil for a very long time, and it's very necessary that we keep our public picnic spots clean. Obviously, let's say that you have gone to Mount Abu, and you all are aware about Naki Lake, right? It's a lake in Mount Abu where you can do boating and all those things. Let's say that the lake is stinking, the lake is dirty, okay? Let's say the lake has only kachra in it. Will you like to go inside the lake to do boating? No, right? Obviously, because it's dirty, it's stinking, and it's very bad. So you're not gonna like it. So it's very natural that we have to keep our picnic spots clean, and wherever we go, at least from our side, we should not pollute anything or we should not dirty anything. Central and state governments are taking proper steps for cleanliness and preservation of our picnic spots, okay? Central government, that is the Delhi government, and the state government, that is the government in Gujarat, are taking lot of steps in order to make sure that all the public spots are clean, all the picnic spots are clean, neat and tidy. Consequently, special arrangement has been made for it. There are special arrangements made in order to keep that particular place clean. Like I remember that I had gone to Andaman and Nicobar Islands, okay? It's a small islands which are there in the Bay of Bengal, and over there we were going to one island, okay? And when we went there to the island, they took 1000 rupees from us, okay? And they checked how many wafer packets and how many cold drink bottles we were taking. And when we returned back, we showed them the empty plastics and the bottles, and they returned back our 1000 rupees, okay? This is to make sure that we do not dirty the island, okay? Religious historical places have been given greater attraction among local as well as foreign tourists. So any religious places, any temple or any historical place is given lot of importance by the people who are tourists from India and from outside India, okay? Among the local as well as foreign tourists, henceforth, our government is attentive enough towards its preservation. We all know that if people all around the world are coming and visiting India, are coming and visiting places in India, if we keep our place dirty and untidy and unclean and dirty, nobody is going to like it, right? So that is why the government is taking lot of steps to make sure that the place is clean. Do not use plastic, okay? Do not litter at picnic spots and use dustbin. Picnic spots માં don't litter એટલે અહીંયા કચરો ન નાખો, ડસ્ટબિનની અંદર જ કચરો નાખો. Do not spoil historical monuments either by writing or drawing pictures, okay? Whichever historical monuments or a building is there, do not go there, write over there or draw anything over there. A proper disposal of waste, whatever waste is there, okay, dispose that waste properly. Do not spit after eating tobacco or pan, okay? After eating pan or tobacco, do not go and spit anywhere. Spit એટલે પિચકારી મારે ને, do not do that. Okay, do not pollute the surrounding areas of historical monuments. Whatever places are around historical monuments, do not dirty it also. Extensive steps should be taken during monsoon of historical monuments which constitutes stepwell, lakes, ponds, streams, etc. So what are they saying? That extensive એટલે બહુ હાર્ડ કેર કરવી જોઈએ એ પ્લેસીસની જ્યાં stepwells, lake, ponds, streams, etc. are there, especially in monsoon. Why? Because all these ponds, lakes, streams, all these things, they get filled during monsoon, right? So you have to make sure that the stepwell or a pond or a lake is in proper order, okay? It's clean, it's neat and tidy, so that when rainwater is falling, you can use that rainwater for your everyday purpose. Be cautious એટલે careful while cleaning the monuments with archaeological chemical methods. Okay, lot of times you clean a particular monument or you clean a particular thing with a chemical. So you have to be very careful on how you clean it, clean it properly, do not use extensive chemicals, do not use more chemicals, use the amount of chemical that is needed, do not overuse a particular chemical. Sanitized domestic and foreign visitors to avoid damage of our historical heritage. Okay, sensitized. Okay, sensitized meaning make people feel something towards a historical monument. When you have a feeling of pride or a respect for a particular monument, you are automatically going to respect it, right? You are automatically going to feel that okay, I don't have to destroy this thing. So sensitize people. Sensitize meaning make people feel loved, make people feel a sense of pride towards historical figures and monuments. If natural disaster has caused damage to a historical place, make efforts to bring it again in the original form. So if any natural disaster has occurred, let's say floods, okay, earthquakes, fire, and all these things have, let's say if it has caused damage to a particular historical figure, then make sure that you take proper steps in order to reconstruct a particular thing or repair a particular historical monument which is present. It is our responsibility to maintain beauty and cleanliness of a tourist place as they bring fame and prosperity to the nation. We should make use of science and technology to maintain the originality of our ancient heritage. So now it is the responsibility that we keep a particular historical monument clean, we keep a particular historical monument beautiful, so that what happens that whenever a person comes from abroad or whenever anybody comes and visits it, they feel wow, it's so beautifully kept, it's so clean, it's so neat and tidy. And you make use of science and technology also to maintain the original form of a particular historical monument if it is damaged. Okay, so these are the picnic cleanliness of a picnic spots. And in order to add that, I would also say that it is our duty that if we see anybody spoiling something, that we go and correct that person. Like I have seen so many places where the parents don't tell the child that do not dirty it. Sometimes if the child wants to urinate or wants to go to the washroom, the parent will not take them to the washroom. They will say, okay, ab bheet upar kari le. That attitude is very, very bad. Like you can't dirty something. Okay, you can't make something bad. Like I have seen people, if you go like to Ganga Deri, okay, right now though it's very clean, but otherwise it was so dirty. Okay, things were broken down, plants were growing from inside. So it's our moral duty that ભાઈ અગર આપણે આપણું ઘર સાફ રાખીએ છીએ આટલું અને બીજાના તો બીજી જગ્યાએ બી we have to keep things clean. Okay.